Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I am looking at this wonderful 35mm Rolex Yachtmaster. This mid-size Yachtmaster is a really great size for ladies who want the sporty look but don't want the 29mm lady size and don't want to jump all the way up to the 40mm men's size. It's this really great in-between size for ladies or men with smaller wrists or men who even don't want to wear that 40mm size. It's got the same design as the Yachtmaster, which is this mixture of kind of sporty elegance, like more elevated sport, if you will, with the unidirectional rotating bezel, which is a really great feature to have, but it's also made out of this fabulous material. It's stainless steel, which I think makes it pretty casual, pretty sporty, and I think it can mix with a lot of other pieces in your wardrobe. It's also got this beautiful platinum dial, which is really unique to the Yachtmaster line. I don't think they do it on any of their other watches or lines, and I like the Yachtmaster design as well because it's got these enlarged hour markers, like the bigger dots, the triangle at the 12. I think it's just overall really cool. It adds a lot of sporty features to kind of a really elevated and elegant watch made out of these nice materials. And I love the pop of red. I just think that looks great on this watch in general. It's also got the date aperture, and all in all, I just think this watch is a really fabulous find. If you are someone who wants a sporty watch, who wants a casual watch, and wants a really fabulous Rolex, you should definitely not overlook the Yachtmaster line, because we always are getting these 35mm and 29 and 40mm, so if you are looking for the perfect size for you, you will definitely find it in the Yachtmaster line. If you have fallen in love with this watch, or you want to get this one for a loved one, you should definitely check out our entire Rolex Yachtmaster collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.